2023 Kia Niro's dramatic new appearance will boost its eco-friendly image. The base hybrid has a 139 horsepower four-cylinder, while the plug-in hybrid has 180 horsepower. The cabin is lined with sustainable materials and looks upmarket for an entry-level vehicle. A new Green Zone Drive mode uses navigation data to switch the Niro into EV mode in neighborhoods, near schools and hospitals, and by frequently visited areas like a driver's office or home. New Niro to be available in a variety of styles and price ranges. Both hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains will be offered, along with a full EV vehicle. The 2023 Niro Hybrid will be powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder and an electric motor. The 2023 Niro will only have front-wheel drive and a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. Plug-in hybrids add an electric motor for 180 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid has an 11.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack that offers 33 miles per charge. Kia says a level 2 charger can recharge the battery in under 3 hours. The new Niro's sculptural interior design is more modern. Kia's headliner and upholstery are made from recyclable materials and eucalyptus leaves. It's not the most roomy SUV on the market, but it should fit 4 adults and a major grocery run. Ambient interior lighting and a rotary shift knob replace the present model's lever-style gear selector.